Are we being left technology by demonic evil entities like in the book of Enoch? Play the video.
Here's First Enoch 8:1-3. Now remember, Enoch's not in the Bible.
Yeah, it's not in the Bible.
He's quoted by Jude.
Mm-hmm.
He's referenced that he walked with God.
Yeah.
So let's read his book, not as canonized scripture, but let's read his book as we would any other minister.
Yeah.
He said he actually names the angels. He said one angel taught men to make swords. Another one taught to resolving enchantments. Another one taught astrology, and they corrupted the earth. So you look at all the genetic corruption that is happening right now.
Mm-hmm.
You wonder, are these things being taught once again, except now we're using medical means of doing it? But are these beings also wanting to do this? Yeah. If you look at 1 Enoch 10:8, it says the whole earth has been corrupted through the works that were taught by Azel. Azel being one of the fallen angels that is now in prison.
But yes. Can we talk about that though?
Yes.
Because obviously there is a significant way that I think it's either Azel or Azazel, I say, but the way that he corrupted mankind was what? He taught them how to create swords. I think within the documentary, and I don't know if I'm skipping ahead, but they very clearly understand that they feel like that they've been almost left these crafts. They didn't say like they feel like these crafts were just, they keep stumbling upon them. They actually feel like they've been left these crafts, and that these crafts are not just being left in the United States. It's not just a United States issue. These crafts have been left in all of these different areas, and they feel like they have been leaving them these crafts to engineer the technology that has been put and then used in these crafts. And so what happened with Azazel, or Azel, is he taught man how to create swords. I'm looking right now, and they are engineering these technologies oftentimes to see how can we better our fighter planes? How can we better our technology?
Cover up. All of a sudden, we come out with stealth bombers that can't be detected by radar.
Mm-hmm.
You think maybe?
Well, and that's the interesting thing is one of the reasons why they said that they've recently detected them so much is that they upgraded their radar system on these airplanes, and as they upgraded these radar systems, they finally started to significantly spot them a lot more.
Yes.
And so you're seeing this where they're leaving them this technology, and this is one of the reasons why they say that the government has not openly come out about it. They said that the presidents have known. Oftentimes,
some presidents have not known.
Yeah, some presidents have not known. Oftentimes, when it got up to a president, the biggest question always was how will this affect the economy, and how will this affect our enemies? How much do our enemies know? Are enemies actually further ahead of us in this area? Do they not know anything in this area? Are we the only ones with the crafts? They talked about how these crafts would go and they would hover over nuclear sites, and they would activate warheads. They would deactivate warheads. They would just basically show like we can interfere with what you guys are doing right here. And it's almost like they were just observing is how far is our swords, the swords that we are creating right now, how are we utilizing the technology that they've essentially left for us and given to us in the same way that Azazel gave to man back then and completely corrupted the world by giving them swords. That's what's happening right now, but yet modernized.